everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts in Samsung Mobile. First, you need your WhatsApp account installed. Then you need to set up your first account in this current WhatsApp. Now what you need to do is go to settings. Here you need to go to advanced features. So here are the advanced features. Now what you need to do is scroll down and find dual messenger right there. And you will need to toggle this bar with the WhatsApp option, and it will also show a pop-up message if you want a second copy of WhatsApp. Just click on install, confirm this, and if you want to you can use a separate contact list. If you don't want to, you can just skip it and click on OK. So here of my WhatsApp. So after you have your dual WhatsApp, open your another WhatsApp, which is a dual one. You just need to follow the in-screen instructions and click on continue, agree and continue, and set up your next account from here. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you guys in the next video.